Hey everyone, it's Chris and Kayla from Octopod here on Tutorial Tuesday, looking to answer your question, do I want to grow my own pot? It should be cannabis, right? Cannabis is a medicine. What we're looking at here is growing our own medicine, taking care of our health. So, one of the big questions is, where do I get my medicine? Do I have a friend who grows it? Do I want to go to the dispensary and pay those prices? Or do I maybe want to take my own health into my hands and grow my own? If you're thinking about growing your own, one of the first questions you need to ask yourself is, why? Why would I grow it? So besides price, convenience and all is, I'm talking about how are you going to use it? Are you going to use it yourself? Are you growing it for a family member? Maybe you want to become a caregiver. There are a lot of states that still allow caregiving. So it can be something that allows you to be active and then recoup your expenses. Grow your own for free, maybe. I don't know. There's a lot of things, a lot of different reasons why. But again, specifically, are you going to make salves out of it? Are you going to make RSO, the Rick Simpson oil, out of it to treat some heavy stuff? If you're going to be doing that, you want to grow a fair amount of it because there's a lot that takes to make it in the process. If you're only growing it to be able to smoke a joint or two at night, you don't need to grow very much. One plant will take you a long ways. So, number one, why? Which leads to what I was just talking about, how much then? If I'm going to grow it for myself and several family members, then I'll want to kind of figure out how much will we consume over a period of, let's say, 3 to 4 months, because that's what I want one crop to cover. So how much are you going to use? Then once you know, I'm going to grow 4 plants. That's going to be enough for me to make my salve and have enough to smoke for this long enough period of time. So where can I grow 4 plants? It's easy to grow 4 plants like in a tent. If you've got to grow more than 4 tents, there are more than 4 plants. Tents can get to be like 8 to 10 by 10, 8 by 8, 10 by 10. There might even be 12 by 12, but you need a really large area for that, and you might as well just use a room. So your homework is determine, why am I going to grow it? How am I going to use it? How much am I going to use? And where am I going to put it? And once we get those things started out, next week we'll look at growing in tents versus growing in rooms. All right, thanks very much. Take care of yourself and grow in peace.